Hi guys, it's me Marie. Today I have a very easy zipper pouch for you, and the idea is so I can show you how to install a zipper to make a very simple zipper pouch. I am trying another angle, another way of filming, so I hope this is good, that you can see everything that I am doing much better. Okay, so I have my zipper, and when you want, you can make this any size. So what I do when I find like the zipper, this is a good size, so I go ahead and cut my square, and of course you have to see how big do you want it and add that 1/2 inch, because that's what you lose. But for a pouch, I mean, unless you know exactly what you are going to use it for, if it's for makeup brushes or stuff like that, then you have to measure your biggest brush that is going in there. But this is just simple, just to have I don't know, things in the purse, like wipes and stuff. So it's just a simple, and it's just to show you. I have canvas fabric. This is cotton, and it's not interface, and I have quilting cotton that is also not interface, but you can if you are going to use it for heavy stuff. But I think that this is good enough. So I have some clips. You can also use your pins if that's what you are used to. I have my zipper foot, and this is of course the one that goes with my machine. If you have directional fabric, make sure you have it the right way. I want these branches to go that way, so that's what I'm going to do. And I have my inner lining that is also directional, so these two. Okay, so I have my zipper, and this where the pull is, that is the right. Okay, so we have right sides together always, right? So we are going to center this, and you can sew it like this and then do the lining, but I find that if you do that, sometimes you can see the other stitches. So I think that it's better to sew them at the same time. That's what I find. So what I'm going to do is right sides together again and get my other fabric on top and use my clips. So I think I'm going to start this way, so I have to get my clips turned for the flat side to be on the bottom. Okay, so now we are going to sew a straight line and get all those layers sewn. I know you cannot see it here, but, and you know this, the foot, the zipper foot have to be close to the zipper. So don't have to be really against it, but it's better, you know, that foot is against the zipper, but where you are sewing is a little bit further. So So let's do this. Get your clips out of the way. Okay, so now I'm almost at the zipper pull. So I have to put my needle down, lift the foot, and slide the pull out of the way. Line up everything and you go on. And there we are. Alright, so clip all these threads and there you have the the raw edge of the zipper is in between those two layers, so you don't have to do anything with them. They're nice tucked away. And what I do here, this is a metal zipper, so you can iron, but I also make them with those plastic zippers. So what I do, I just get my handy tool here and I just fake iron it, and then okay, there. And so then I'm going to top stitch here so it stays nice and flat. So this is top stitch, threads cut, and as you can see it's nice and flat. Okay, so then we do the same thing to the other side. Okay, line it up, right sides together. Let's go to the other side. Okay, right sides together. So, like that is it going to be. Alright, so again, get sewing. Lift it. And now we have to go to all the layers to open it up. Okay, lay everything back nice. Okay, hold it. And there we are. Clip the threads. So this one's done. And there you have the other side. And if you can see, you have right side and wrong side. Okay, like that. And you know that is the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so let's fake iron here with my handy tool. I got this from a very dear friend. It's very handy for paper piecing also. I think that this is super for that too. Okay, so let's stop stitch. We need to sew it close. Okay, so the zipper, this is a tricky part, and the other two. Okay, so you have to wiggle and, you know, get that flat enough. And I'm going to pin. Oh, sorry, I'm all the way here. And when you are sewing, of course, the best thing to do is when you are pinning, that the head of the pin is to the outside, so you can just get them easy out of the way. You don't want to sew over the pins because you can break your needle. Alright, so let's do these ones. And the inner part, the pouch, the inside of the pouch, we are going to sew, but not all close, because you need to turn this. And before I forget, the zipper, let's do the other way, the zipper have to be somewhat open because you need to turn this. So I'm going to open it halfway, and after that you can open it all the way for turning, but that you can just open it. So okay, so the zipper's open. I shifted it a bit, and here we are going to sew, but we have to leave a gap here so we can turn it. Okay, so let's get this all lined up. I'm going to start here, back stitch all the way around, back stitch again. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to change to my regular foot. So put some back stitch in there, about 1/4 inch, turn, and there we go. Take your pins out, don't sew over them. So what I do, if you have like this big piece pieces, just cut them down, and see, this didn't line very well. So, and now the corners, I'm going to clip them. Mind that you don't cut the stitches, because then you have to start all over again. This is just, it turns much better if you clip them. Okay, so there, we are going to turn it. So, all right, so that's done. I got the, you know, the parts of the zipper that's open to the lining side, and now it's laying much better. So I'm gonna open the zipper a little bit more if I can, this way. Okay, get the whole thing turned. And the points. Okay. Everything looks good. And you can just test this, the sides, how you like them. So much better. I think it's good. And that's the pouch. So now the last step is to close the lining. So just get all these corners out too. Okay, fold this for this and sew it shut. That's all there is to it. Okay, so that's shut, goes into the inside, and get the corners nice in there, and there you have a nice little pouch to get anything into your bag. You can also iron these edges, roll them out. There you have a nice pouch. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.